It is in the middle of the Ukraine and Russia war, while the entire world is counting on how to stop the Russian forces. A group of folks had some other ideas. They hacked into the Belarus rail system and reportedly disrupted some rail services and demanded a ransom to end the hostage situation. This exposes the failure of the cybersecurity provider. So, as an enterprise, how do you choose the right cybersecurity provider? That's a tricky question, but not when I am here. As someone who is working with cybersecurity experts round the clock, I am going to tell you what you need to look for in your quest for the right cybersecurity provider. Opt for a company services that have cybersecurity as their core business and not one of their many links. At the same time, you need to make sure that your service provider is offering you the right technology that helps and protect your business. It is advised to verify your cybersecurity provider's credentials, the team experience, and their previous engagement in handling threats and protecting clients from cyber attacks. Never compromise for anything less than what you have been promised. Choose the right cybersecurity technology partner who can be available 24/7 and provide you the technical assistance. If you ask me, it is more important to get a risk assessment test done on your digital assets and networks. Post that a consultation with a cybersecurity expert should make things clear to you. Your operational technology manager should discuss your company's potential digital assets and losses if they are compromised. This lets the cybersecurity expert and his team to come up with a comprehensive strategy to secure your enterprise. Find a cybersecurity vendor who can help your enterprise to achieve and maintain compliance with regulations such as GDPR, IEC 62443, CMMC, HIPAA, NIST, etc. And one more thing, it is always advised to have one cybersecurity firm looking after your cybersecurity needs rather than having multiple firms working on your digital network. As you know the proverb, too many cooks spoil the broth. So please try to have only one vendor for all your cybersecurity needs. That's it for today. If you would like to get a free comprehensive asset discovery with vulnerability and threat assessment, please request a demo by clicking on the link mentioned in the comment section. Thank you all.